check out the top swap at the Maryland Fairgrounds. Right?
Yeah, she's going to get to know this place very well very soon. The popular event has organizers even putting a limit on the amount of clothing that consigners can bring in because it is so popular. Is that right, Omar? What are they doing out there?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And yeah, I was thinking the same thing about Mary. Mary should be out here with me shopping for some of this. But yeah, there are limits, 2,000 items for just items in general. Clothing, it's a little bit less at 25, but there's a whole lot of stuff going on here. And here to help explain some of that, I've got my friend Dana Jackson here. Dana, all right, there's a lot going on, and there are a lot of shoppers here going on. Tell me about what's going on.
So this is Top Swap, and the doors just opened today. This is the second day for our public sale. It brings out lots of families. So this is our winter sale, which is an all-season sale. So you can get items whether it's a summer, spring, or fall, or winter here, which is pretty good because the weather's been a little schizophrenic lately. So whether you need to pick up a bike for springtime when those 70-degree days, or you need a sled because maybe we'll get some snow, you can find it all here at Top Swap.
And we were talking about it earlier. Something different that you guys are doing now is you guys are offering cribs and toddler beds. And I was just back there looking at those prices. And look, I haven't shopped for toddler beds, but I feel like it's pretty low.
Absolutely. So we've actually just recently added cribs back into our inventory. And you can get them for like at least 60% off of retail. We also have toddler beds. We have a race car bed back there and a fire truck bed. Both priced at $30. You won't get them in any store for less than $150.
Wow, that's so amazing. All right, you're going to stick around for us because a little bit later, we're going to get into the thick of things and look a little more closely at some of the things you can find. It's open until 5 p.m. today, 10 to 4 tomorrow. I'll have a little bit more coming up later this hour. But for now, signing off from the Maryland State Fairgrounds, I'm Omar Jimenez, WBAL TV 11 News.
Thanks, Omar. They have both.